mantra nga namin is, you're never 3 meters away from a 3M product. We are designing not for us, but for our end user.
Find out what's the purpose of why you're doing this. And hopefully that purpose has more meaning, has more impact. Can we unlock the power of ideas? Can we have 3Mers reimagine what's possible? And when we do that, can we face head on, really solve the problems that the world has right now? It's always nice if your purpose involves doing good for others other than ourselves.